We are just 3 days far from the official launch of iPhone 14 lineup happening on 7th of September, but this is crazy. Today an unknown source on WeChat released this short clip of one of the iPhone 14's variant where we can see this wonder. Holy smoke, Apple just did the impossible. Apple has been doing miracles in their iPhone 14 lineup. Recently we saw some rumors regarding availability of satellite connectivity feature in iPhone 14 lineup to make calls and messages in non-network areas, and now this blacking out pixels clip. So here looks like there is an option in settings which can enable and disable the pixels in between pill shape and hole cutout module. Now this is from unknown source, so we cannot say if it is real, but it looks really iPhone 14. There is one reason that Apple could have done this, and that is while watching videos on phone there might be pixels displaying in between pill and hole, which is absolutely going to disturb the viewing experience. So by blacking out the pixels, it will be more amazing experience to watch videos. And privacy indicators are also rumored to be placed in between this module, you know, those little LED light sensors. This is going to be really cool feature ever seen on an iPhone. One more news roaming around that Apple might be bringing their Plus moniker back with iPhone 14 series, just like we used to see in iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus and all those models. Noticing that we might see iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So that was a quick short update I wanted to tell you guys, and I'm really impressed by that blacking out pixels feature. Now do let me know in comment section below that what are your thoughts on this, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.